come living here because I think that the nature was so peaceful and beautiful, and really was melted our tiredness, and I enjoyed about very much.
Do you think you will come again? Goa is
Yes,
beautiful.
absolutely, absolutely. Maybe next year I will come with my father and my family again.
So this was your first time in Goa?
Yes, I come to the first time, yes. And about the people, I think they were very kind and genuine person, and I feel good, feel like good, yes.
So you're taking back good memories from Goa?
Yes, yes, it's memorable moments here.
In totally, we have 450 clients from Iran, so coming in 3 groups, each with 137 somehow, and totally is 450 in Goa.
How was their experience in Goa? You get any feedback from them?
Yeah, I talked with each of them one by one. They said they had a really good experience. It was beyond their expectations, and they didn't imagine Goa just like this. It is very much more better than their expectations, and they really liked it and enjoyed their stay.
So can we expect more Iranians to come for the next Nowruz holidays?
Yeah, for sure, because in India we have the same culture for Nowruz, Indian and Iranians. So this is the first direct flight from Iran to Goa, and with the Cherish airline, and other one was the agency. It is the most big governmental agency in Iran, travel agency. And so for this, for sure, we are planning for even not Nowruz, maybe sooner than Nowruz. Maybe I think in November or October, this is the best time for coming again to Goa. So we plan to come again.
So many of them had come for the first time. So how was their experience for the first time in Goa?
Yeah, they say, although the weather is a little bit hot for Iranians, and the food is too spicy for them, but you travel to see the differences. You shouldn't expect that, for example, you like the food, you like the weather or everything. You travel to see the differences between the countries, between the people. So this trip, in totally, they really like the food, like the hospitality of Indian people, and they feel that they have a conjunction in culture.
So they're taking back happy memories now from Goa.
Happy memories? Yeah, for sure they have. When I talk to them, they say the period that they stay in hotels is very good. The hotels, the hospitality of Goan people, the city, the sightseeing, the city tour. They visited some old Goa, Panjim, the capital. They visit everywhere, and in totally they really like it, and they wish to come back sooner.